If you want to learn how to italicize a text or a bunch of expression or statements in Google Doc, this video is for you. So I've opened a new document and the title is My Productivity Plan. So what you want to do is to first highlight the text or the word that you want to italicize. For example, let's say I want to italicize my weekly productivity plan, the first sentence, right? So what I need to do first is to highlight it like this. I'll first highlight it, then I will come to the tab up here and see the italic icon. And I'll click on it, and this text, this statement or expression would get italicized. As you can see, it's been italicized. So if I want to italicize a whole statement, let's say from staying productive to my time, I want to italicize the whole statement. So what I would do is the same thing. I would highlight the whole expression. I will click and drag, and I would click on the italic icon, and that's it. The whole statement has been italicized. Let's say I want to italicize a whole, just a single text or a letter, right? Let's say I want to, this week, let's say I want to italicize the T in this. So I'll just highlight T like this, and I'll click on the italic icon. Then it got italicized. So the same thing, let's say this weekly productivity plan, which is the first sentence here. Let's say we want to remove the italics feature, right? So what we do is you highlight it back again and you click on this italic icon. Then the italic property will be gone. The same thing for the second expression. So I would highlight it and I will click on the italic icon, and the italic property would be removed. So that's it for this episode. If you find this tutorial very helpful, ensure you like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.